In the world of manufacturing, precision is the heartbeat of excellence. Our machining capabilities are designed with cutting-edge technology to ensure that each item is forged to perfection, ensuring unparalleled precision, speed, and versatility. The machining centers are equipped with the latest advancements in the industry. High-speed milling, multi-axis capabilities, and adaptive tool controls come together to refine the standards of precision machining. A professional team of experts is behind every finely machined item to guarantee that your forged components satisfy the most stringent criterion. Our professionals combine years of expertise with cutting-edge technology in the fast-paced world of manufacturing. Time is money. Our machining process is not only precise but also incredibly efficient, reducing production times and boosting overall productivity. Elevate your production capabilities with the epitome of precision machining. Contact us today to experience the future of manufacturing, where precision meets performance, redefining excellence in every cut.